In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Sheets in Monday.com. Whether you're looking to synchronize data for project management, track financials, or streamline workflows, integrating Google Sheets with Monday.com can be a game changer. Let's get started. First, log into your Monday.com account. You'll want to either open an existing board or create a new one to get started. If you choose to create a new board, click on the plus add button on the top menu and select New Board. Opt for Start from Scratch for a fresh start. Don't forget to name your board something fitting that reflects its purpose, like Google Sheet Sync or Finance Tracker. This board will be the platform for data exchange between Monday.com and Google Sheets. Next, head over to the Integrations Center. On your board's top menu, click the Integrate button, which resembles a puzzle icon. In the Integration Center, just type in Google Sheets into the search bar and then click on the Google Sheets app icon. This will present you with various automation recipes designed to facilitate the connection between Monday.com and Google Sheets. Now, it's time to choose your integration recipe. Several options will be available to you. For example, you might see recipes such as when a new item is created in this board, create a new row in Google Sheets. Or when a row is added in Google Sheets, create an item in this board. Select the recipe that best aligns with your workflow. If Monday.com is your primary workspace, the first recipe might be more suitable. Alternatively, if updates commence in Google Sheets, consider using the second one. Once you've selected your preferred recipe, click Add to Board, then you'll need to connect your Google account. A pop-up window will prompt you to sign in. Allow Monday.com the necessary permissions to access your Google Sheets. After connecting, ensure your Google Sheet is shared with the Google account linked to the integration, and you'll see your Google Drive files listed. Proceed by selecting your Google Sheet and the specific worksheet or tab you want to link. Carefully map the columns from your Google Sheet to your corresponding Monday.com columns. This part is crucial for ensuring data flows seamlessly between the platforms. Go ahead and test your integration. For instance, add a new item in Monday.com and see if it appears in your Google Sheet, or add a row in your sheet to verify it creates an item in Monday.com. If everything syncs correctly, your integration is operational. For a tailored experience, explore the ability to automate and customize your sync further. You might add multiple integration recipes to automate additional actions, such as automatically updating Google Sheets when a task's status changes or creating new items in Monday.com when rows are added in Sheets. Combine these integrations for a robust automated data tracking system. Finally, utilize views and dashboards in Monday.com. Once linked, you can visualize Google Sheet data through dashboards and see live updates with the table view inside Monday.com. Don't hesitate to tweak exports or resync data as necessary, and remember to use mirror columns to reflect specific Google Sheet values across other boards. And there you have it, a robust guide to linking Google Sheets with Monday.com, unlocking more efficient workflows and better data management. Happy syncing!